Just
I don't have a
follow
script.
my lead. Ready? There's no script.
Okay. Ready.
We are going live from Keyport HQ on YouTube tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific time to talk about Versa58. It's the last few hours of the Kickstarter campaign, and we're going to be giving away a couple things as well during the live broadcast. Amy, what are we giving away?
We're going to give away lots of stuff. We're going to give away an Essential Plus bundle, which comes with a pivot, a pocket flare, a multi-tool. We're going to give away a Utility Plus kit, which comes with the Mocha module, the pocket flare on a pocket clip. And we're going to give away the MOLLE strap with the emergency kit, which is the escape kit and the pocket flare.
Awesome. So if you have any questions about Versa58, this is your chance to ask us direct questions, and we're going to do a live demo.
And win some stuff. Get some free stuff. Get some free gear.
There we go. So we will see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific time.
But wait, there's more.
No, that was it.
There's not?
That was it.
MOLLE strap. Strap on. What is it? MOLLE?
Cut.
MOLLE is the
drug. Okay. Your face. Oh, this is so fun. I know you love this.
More views that way.
Okay. Come on, Sky. Come on.
Sky, you want to come in the picture?
Come on.